Control flow in Python. The control flow is set by loops, conditional statements, and function calls. For example, we have if else, a equal 50, b equal 100. If a greater than b, print a is greater than b. If a smaller than b, print a is smaller than b. Else, finally, print a is equal to b. A is smaller than b. In Python, spaces are preferred not using tabs. After that, we have while loops. I equal 4, while I smaller than 10, print I plus 2. 4, 6, 8. We have for loop. For x in Python, print x. P, Y, T, H, O, and N. Usually, for loops preferred over than while loops in Python.